The place where I am right now, it is really very captivating, and around me are so many lovely green trees you can all see, and the beyond of place I can see many houses. The houses are very beautiful, you all can see, and I can hear sound of the bird singing from time to time, and it's really very refreshing to me. I'm really enjoying walking in this environment. It's having wonderful effect on a state of my mind. Thank you for watching me, and thank you for watching my video. Till then, I will be back with a new video. If you wish, you can practice like me with current situation, current topic, then you can be a good speaker. You can speak in English fluently. Khuda Hafiz.